Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the CEO of PItch59. The impact PItch59 is making on the business world did not happen overnight. I understand what it's like to be taken advantage of in the business, marketing, and advertising world because I myself was a small business owner for about 13 years. I spent a lot of money trying to create a better website, get a higher star rating, bump up our reviews, and jump to the top of every search page. I've always felt like there was something wrong with this process, not just for the small business owner, but for the consumers. What they're seeing is a surreal world with a lot of fake, managed reviews and ratings, synthetic websites, and listings that put the people that pay the most up at the top. That's like your best friend setting you up on a blind date with the person that paid your best friend the most money. That's a problem. I did door-to-door sales for 5 years, and besides getting some great exercise, I learned the value of the human connection in the business world. We make purchasing decisions based on how products and people make us feel. We buy things that make us feel good, and we hire people that we know, like, and trust. Over 80% of employers and consumers base their hiring decisions on things like personality, character, and potential, not just skill sets and credentials. We've created PItch59 to humanize and simplify business interactions. Pitch cards allow you to relate with your customers and establish a foundation of trust with your 59-second elevator pitch. And it works. Take, for example, my friend Courtney. She sells commercial insurance, yet she doesn't look like your typical insurance agent. If all you knew about Courtney was her logo, headshot, website, search engine listing, or ratings, you may not be persuaded to call her. However, let's see what happens when you get to know her for 59 seconds.
My name is Courtney Widener. I'm the owner of Widener Insurance, and we are providing personal and commercial insurance for small business in the state of Texas. So I know I don't really look like an insurance agent. A lot of people, when they see me, they're just like, oh, you do insurance? But I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I know insurance like the back of my hand. We like to take insurance to a new place. Insurance is something that can be really boring and tedious. A lot of folks don't know what they need for their insurance protection. It's just this thing that everybody understands that they have to have. So we like to take this whole insurance buying experience and make it into something that is understandable. So here at Widener Insurance, we're all about communicating in a way that's most effective for you and how you like to be talked to. So if you can hit that contact us button below, I'll exchange our information. I am a texter, so you may get a text message from me if that's cool, and we can start the conversation, and we would love a chance to talk to you.
How did you feel while watching her pitch? If you were searching for insurance, would you be more likely to contact her now? This is because we naturally decode verbal, nonverbal, and metaverbal communication to help us decide who we want to work with. At PItch59, we've created pitch cards to help you stand out and be heard around the world. Your pitch card contains not only your 59-second elevator pitch, but also your customers' video reviews and testimonials. It also has all of your contact information, social media links, website, files and photos, and other information you want to share with others. Pitch cards are perfect for networking and referrals. To share your pitch card, just swipe up. You can send it via text, email, social media, airdrop, QR code, or just copy the link and put it wherever you want. When someone receives your pitch card, they don't have to have the app. It'll pop right up, and they can view, contact, or share your pitch card. You can direct message your pitch card on LinkedIn, use it as an email signature, business card, or put your QR code on your vehicles, windows, and signs. Other awesome features include pockets and flip chat. You can organize your pitch cards in pockets and then share those pockets with other people. Encourage everyone you refer and network with to create their own pitch cards and then put their pitch cards in your pockets for making connections. A realtor friend of mine recently told me that this is the best and easiest way to introduce his title company, lender, carpet cleaner, handyman, and other companies to his clients. When you have the free PItch59 app, you can also flip over anyone's pitch card and chat with them right there on the back. It's like writing a note to somebody on the back of their business card and they immediately receive it. There are a variety of pitch cards for you to choose from. There are pitch cards to showcase your company, team members, services, products, and even nonprofits. And don't stress about making your video. We'll help you with that too. We've built in pitch tips, pitch topics, and a built-in teleprompter to help you make your perfect pitch. You can re-record your pitch as many times as you want until you've got a great pitch that represents you well. And then you can re-record it whenever you want after that. If you'd like to have a professional videographer help you create a great pitch, no problem. Simply upload it to your PitchCard. Just remember to keep it under 59 seconds. That's it. Feel free to book a demo with us, or go ahead and customize your PitchCard package and let everyone know and feel all the reasons they should work with you. Welcome to PItch59.